I started using apps where the goal was to blend in, not stand out. These are mystery shopping apps where the app specifically tells you not to talk to anyone, not to explain what you're doing. Now, there's one main app, and then there's 2 or 3 other apps that work good to multi-app with when you're doing this app. And the first one is Field Agent. This one, when I found it, I was hooked. Over $8,050 later, I still use this app every single day, and I have for the past 8 years. So this is what the app looks like, and all of those pins that you see are basically dollar signs. You see one pin, that's 1 gig. You see 3, 2, that means there's multiple gigs at the same store, and that's how you make real money. The point of this app is they need to get information about the shelves. They need to see what's on the shelves in real time. They use it for companies that are thinking where to place their products, companies that pay a lot of money to have their displays a certain way, and you're there to check up on it. So the point is for you to go without management or the staff knowing and get pictures of what's actually happening. It's not like an announced visit where they know you're coming and they could clean stuff up. So you are a mystery shopper. You're going to go there, take pictures of the shelves, take pictures of the display, and leave without being noticed, without dealing with anyone, just looking like a regular shopper. Now, it may be a little awkward if you have social anxiety like me. You may wonder what happens if they ask you why you're taking pictures. Well, when you've done this for a while like me, you learn to be discreet. You take your pictures a certain way. You don't stand out. You don't look like you're taking pictures. Maybe you hold a cart or move a basket. Now, I do these every single day. And with this app, you find one that you want to do. So this one here, $6, basically just to do a lap around the store, take pictures of displays. And then now you could reserve it for up to 4 hours. So it's not like Uber Eats and DoorDash where you have no idea where you're going or what you're doing. You just wait for a pin and then you could accept it or not accept it. You know exactly where you're going, exactly what you're doing, and you have 4 hours. So you could reserve 10 of these. You could reserve as many as you want and then make a route just like it's a regular job, like you're actually your own boss without dealing with anyone. You could work all day and not have to talk to a single person. Now, the next app is going to be very similar. It's going to be Mobee. Same type of thing. You're going to have to go to stores and do tasks, which mostly require you taking pictures and answering questions. This one does not pay in cash. Field Agent, just like a regular job, pays in cash. When they get approved, you hit cash out and you get a direct deposit into your bank account in as many business days as it takes to reach your bank account. So if you do a gig on Monday, it's very likely that you could get paid by Friday. With Mobee, it's a little bit different. So you could get your reward much faster. You could do one the same day. And once you have enough points, you could go to rewards and cash out your points. But the thing that turns a lot of people away from this app is it's not cash. It's gift cards. But they have gift cards to Target, they have gift cards to Dunkin' Donuts, and they even have Visa gift cards, which I use for gas. So you can use these cards. You're going to spend money there anyway. So it's definitely worth having this app, especially if you're doing Field Agent, because a lot of times the same exact store will have a Field Agent and a Mobee gig, and you can really stack them up. Just be careful. Some of them are actually mystery shoppers where you do have to talk to staff, and it will let you know. But right here, for all missions, you are acting undercover. Do not take photos of store employees and never associate yourself with the Mobee brand. So exactly what we want. The instructions are we don't have to talk to anybody. Now, the next one is going to be the highest paying one, and that's going to be Observa. Now, it pays the most per gigs, but the thing is, most of the people that watched my videos said there wasn't that many gigs in their area. So it's definitely worth having, but when you download it, you're probably not going to see any gigs in your area. And some of them are shelf management where you will have to talk to people, but look out for the audits like this one, Spice Rack Audit. This one, you literally just had to go to the fresh market and take some pictures of the spices. And the last one I want to talk about is going to be Survey Merchandiser. Now, this one also pays a lot more, but again, there are going to be some that require you to talk to the staff, but there's also going to be some that are just audits where you have to take pictures, don't have to talk to anybody like this one. And if you want to see my full tutorial on the Survey Merchandiser app, check out this video over here.